to Bait and Tackle. I'm your host, Joe Frank, and today I'm fishing with my little girl, Lily.
I like going fishing.
Lily and I are down at the creek, right around the corner from our house, and we're going to see what we can catch. Anything, we don't care what it is. Bass, creek chubs, what do you think? Bluegills? We're not picky, we'll take anything. So she's going to throw some worms, and then I'm just going to throw around a couple of little lures. We'll see what we can catch.
I think it's catfish.
There's no catfish.
Where's my bobber and my hook?
Your hook's right there. You're not going to have a bobber today.
But he said I wanted one.
Bobbers don't work really well here, so we're going to try without it. So here's a piece of worm.
This worm? Oh, why is there a worm going crazy? Because
I just cut them apart into pieces.
That looks like a slug.
Okay, there you go. Cast it out there. Good luck. I see some little flickers. Nope, reel it in. I see some little flickers right here. Hey, I see something right in here. I think there's some fish in there.
Right here?
Right in that pocket right there. See it? I'm gonna try a little topwater lure. I'll try the little cicada lure. Or throw the little cicada. See how that goes. Perfect. Let it sit to the bottom. You feel anything? Do you feel anything? It's okay.
No, my line is moving out.
Stuck, or do you have something? You got something? You got him. You got him. Slow, 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 slow. Okay, reel him in.
Oh, that's the tiniest one on earth.
What is that?
I don't know. A chubby?
Yep, creek chub.
Hey, chubby, chubby.
Oh, you know what kind of creek chub he is?
Roanoke chubby.
His horns aren't developed yet, but that's a horny head creek chub.
Ooh, he's nice.
Yeah, he's big.
Yeah, and he's nice.
That's a big creek chub.
Yeah, and he's tiny.
No, that's a big creek chub. They don't get real big. That's cool.
Ooh, I catched one.
Okay, here, I'll take him off the hook, and you want to hold him?
But not other things don't have.
Okay, here you go. You're
Open up your mouth.
You're gonna put your thumb in his mouth? Just hold him. You got him? Oh! All right, get him back in the water.
He's so slimy.
Good job.
Yeah, I can hold him like this upside down.
Yeah. Nice and easy. Just put him in the water. There he goes. Back to his home.
Another baby chubby.
You caught another one, huh?
Hallelujah! I'm the chubby fisher.
Chubby fisher.
At least I catch one. Yeah, I catch.
That's another horny head too. Just smaller. Whoa!
Yeah.
You gonna get him?
You want me to put him in the water?
Yeah, go ahead.
Can you put it? Can you put it?
Yep. There he goes.
Hi. Ooh, I catch two today.
Yeah, you probably catch more than that. Gotcha, mama. Took me long enough. Bad little guy. There you go, guys. Nice little smallie. Creek smallie. Bedding bass. She's been bedding there for a couple weeks. I've been trying to get her. You should see how long she is. She's not very big. 11 inches. What the hell was that? Oh. Okay. Pretty sure that wasn't a bass, that's for sure. Probably those little aggressive bluegills. Those baby bass? Yep. Small fry. Huh. Look at this, guys. Oh, jeez. Come on. Oh, there he goes.